Take a spoonful of this before bed to flush intestinal and liver toxins while you sleep. Garlic is cultivated and widely used in almost every culture in the world for its myriad medicinal values. The garlic bulb is composed of individual cloves enclosed in a white parchment-like skin. A bulb of garlic generally measures about 2 inches in height and 2 inches across in a teardrop shape. Garlic is commonly used in most Chinese cooking, not only to enhance the flavor of foods, but also for its wonderful and endless health benefits. Nutritional benefits of garlic. Garlic is an excellent source of vitamins A, B complex and C. It provides a good supply of minerals like manganese, phosphorus, calcium, copper, potassium, iron and copper. It also contains amino acids, essential oils, glycosides, and the rare essential trace minerals like germanium, selenium, and tellurium. The phytochemical in garlic includes antioxidant allium, which is also present in onions, leeks, chives, and shallots. Garlic amazingly contains more than 12 types of antioxidants. Is it any wonder that it has numerous healing virtues? This is one of the few superfoods that doesn't lose its medicinal properties with cooking. However, garlic in its raw state has its other benefits too. Health benefits of garlic. The health benefits of garlic revolve around its antimicrobial effect that efficiently combats bacteria, fungi, intestinal parasites, viruses, yeast, etc. It has natural antibiotic and immune enhancer ability and is a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize the free radicals in the body. Take 2 or 3 cloves daily to see its efficacy in a variety of disorders. Anticoagulant, the natural and effective blood-thinning method, safer than taking aspirin, which can cause stomach bleeding. This means that it is protective against thrombosis, blockages of blood flow by clots. Cancer prevention, its anti-cancer properties help decrease the risks of cancers, especially stomach and colon cancer. Common cold, if you feel a cold coming on, take a clove or 2 of garlic to prevent it. If you have got a cold, take garlic too. It acts as a medication for the cold, helps relieve congestion and aids in speedy recovery. Cholesterol, garlic juice significantly reduces the oxidation of the blood cholesterol and the buildup of plaque in arteries, decreasing the risks of heart diseases. Diabetes, take 1 clove of garlic daily to lower blood sugar level. Encephalitis, garlic taken in high doses under doctor's observation have been known to cure encephalitis, but please read the cautionary note below. Fungal infections, raw garlic juice taken internally is effective in treating fungal infections like athlete's foot or ear infections. Also apply the juice directly to the affected area to soothe the itch. Hypertension, the cleansing of the arterial deposits helps to normalize blood pressure. Peptic ulcer, also effective against the bacterial stomach parasite which causes peptic ulcers. Toxicity, the sulfur compounds in garlic greatly help in detoxifying the blood of toxins, lead and other heavy metals. Wind, small amounts of garlic taken can help relieve gas in the stomach. Consumption tips. Raw garlic is not easy to eat, it needs getting used to. But understanding all the good things it does, try to include them in your daily diet. Sneak 1 or 2 cloves or garlic into the juicer when you juice your favorite juiced recipe. Special tip, before you go to bed at night, prepare this magic potion. Half an hour after dinner, do this. Finally chop up 2 cloves of fresh garlic and let it expose to the air for a few minutes while you wash up your blender or chopping board. The chopping releases the enzyme alliinase in the garlic. Gather the chopped garlic in a spoon and swallow it with water. You may add a little raw honey if desired, which will give it more mileage, as raw honey is a great antibacterial agent. Manuka honey can also be used, especially if you want to address a sinus issue or stop a cold or flu. The garlic and honey will travel your entire digestive tract while you sleep and scavenge and neutralize all the toxins, carcinogens, harmful bacteria, fungi, viruses, foreign chemical before they can harm your healthy cells. The sulfur compounds in garlic will also detoxify your liver of blood toxins, lead and other heavy metals that will be flushed out the next day. Swallowing the chopped garlic will not give you garlic breath as long as you don't chew it. In the morning, drink a big glass of water. Your first bowel movement will have a strong garlic odor and you will know that the harmful stuff have been eliminated from your body. Try it. Cautionary note: garlic is a very potent medicinal herb. 1 or 2 raw cloves daily is sufficient for you to enjoy all the health benefits it has to offer. A little more when cooked is fine. Garlic has a blood-thinning effect, therefore, do not take it with other anticoagulant drugs. Avoid taking large quantities of garlic. Though rare, high doses of garlic may trigger some health problems for some individuals, causing anemia, weight loss, excessive gas, diarrhea, or asthma. It is safe to eat raw garlic at any time, but if eating raw garlic daily, do not eat on empty stomach as it may be a little harsh on the stomach.